everyone, welcome back to the channel for a quick little unbagging of my Ipsy Glambag. This is for February. This is my paid for. Matter of fact though, I did forget to mention in my BoxyCharm by Ipsy, I actually do have an affiliate link. So if you guys do want to sign up and get this, there's going to be a link down below. I'm really off my rocker, okay? I got a lot going on it, which you already know about if you saw my BoxyCharm by Ipsy unboxing. I talked about that. I also unboxed some more candles from the Shane and Pepper candle company up in Pennsylvania. Definitely make sure to check out that video. I will have them linked again in my description box. But before we jump into today's video, first and foremost, thank you guys if you are here, if you are returning, if you are stopping by. None of this is possible without you guys. So I always want to let you guys know I'm very mindful of where I am is because of you guys. So thank you guys. Thank you for sharing my videos over on Facebook. Thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support this channel every single month. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and helping as well to tip and donate to the channel. I see you guys. I appreciate you guys. I have been, and you're going to hear me talk about this a lot, I have been a little MIA in my comment section. There's just been a lot of things going on in the background. We're just waiting on some results and stuff. And it's just kind of, when I'm on social media, it's more or less mindless scrolling over on TikTok. Because I need to calm my brain. My anxiety has been at a level 10, and for whatever reason, the mindless scrolling on TikTok, although I'm sure people will tell you that's bad, it works for me. Okay, so you gotta do what works for you. Anyways, I will keep you guys posted on everything when I can talk about everything. Let's just go ahead and jump into this before Rhonda gets all crazy and emotional. So like I said, this is the February bag. Very, very pretty, kind of satiny style. We've got a little black bow accent and little gold hearts, and it's a self-love affair bag. Now I did make my picks. Can't remember my picks, so nothing's new there. All right, so let's just go ahead and dive on in. Ooh, you know, I don't think I noticed this in the PR bag. I really like this like lime greeny accent. I like that. Okay, so, oh my gosh, how cool is that? OFRA, I didn't know you guys had this. So they have a silicone primer in here. I've never seen it this tiny. This is so cool. Actually, it's not even that tiny. It's 0.4 fluid ounces. The full size is only $20. Ooh, Ready Set Prep. This is a priming gel. It's made to refine pores and create a smooth canvas. Alright, you will be all over my face here shortly. You guys know there are a lot of different primers from OFRA, and I really enjoy them. And you know what's really bad with me is I get it, I love it, I use it, I continue to love it, I get something new, and I hyper focus on that. Yeah. That's kind of what I do. All right. Anyways, this is a lightweight primer. It's going to add just the right amount of tackiness to makeup to stick and last all day. Tip: before applying foundation, massage a pump or two of the primer onto your face and neck. That's really smart. Yes, I'm going to start adding a silicone type of primer down on my neck, because that's going to help with the look of wrinkles and crinkles and all of that. Ah, I love that. Okay, I didn't pick that, but I think that's cool. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, off of these just 2 products, I'm like, come on, Haley. We're going to do an Ipsy versus Ipsy this month. All right, this is the Lottie London Oil Slick Nourishing Lip Oil. Now, I have lipstick and lip gloss on and liner, so I don't want to remove it to try this out, but full size is $7. Oh, this is really affordable. This is all of this sweet, non-sticky sheer peach lip oil infused with peach extract, packed with vitamin E, B, and jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, omega-3s, and it will leave your lips feeling sweet and super juicy. Wait a minute. Okay. It's the applicator that smells icky. I was like, what is that? Oh. It's like, ugh. Okay, it's like the glue or something of the applicator up here, not in the doohickey. It's like up in here or something. That, yeah, it's that, because once I like put it on my hand, it doesn't smell bad. Still not my favorite. That's not what I was expecting with peach. Next in here we have a body lotion by Memoir. I think that's how you say it. Let's see how you smell. I love hand lotions. I can't get enough hand lotions right now. That smells amazing. That kind of reminds me a little bit of that Nicole Miller perfume that I got, was it last month? Yeah, it was in my January bag. I really, really like it. I actually have it on today. Yeah, this smells really good. You get a decent amount as far as that goes, so I really like that. As far as this goes, it's a wildflower and field lotion, and the full size is $25. So I like the way it feels. I love the way it smells. Very good. Okay, next in here we have a Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum. So this has, it's in the shade 60 and it has a retail value of $49. Oh, I know why I picked this. Look at how not a lot you get. You guys see that? Like, this whole tube is literally, that's all you get. I got this because I wanted to see if it's like, it looks like, if you guys see, it looks like the Chanel one, which I have this on today. I really, really love it. The Leviz, or I'm not even trying to sound fancy. But anyways, I really like this one. And when I saw the way this one looked, I was like, could it be a dupe? But really not, because even if it was a dupe, it's only saved me $11. Shh, judgment free zone. And then last in here, we have, what the heck? The Rena Rebeldi Highlighter in Soul. Retail value $12. Never heard of this brand. So that's what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I'll be honest with you guys. It's a darker shade. It's really, really pretty. But I have been loving the new Ladora Beach Highlighter from OFRA. And it kind of is a little similar to that one. This one, the Ladora might be a little bit more rosier, but they are kind of similar looking, just looking at the pan. I have the Ladora highlighter on today and I really, really love it. And so I'm gonna just pass this one along. But overall, my overall thoughts on this bag, I'm excited. I feel like this is another really good one. The peach thing smells a little funkity, but I think it's gonna be okay. I mean, the bag is cute, the products are cute. I honestly think the item I chose was the Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum. So I'm definitely going to play with that and keep you all posted. If you want a side-by-side, like I said, would it even matter if it's a side-by-side? I don't know. You guys will have to let me know down in the comment section. But I think overall, that's 2 months in a row. Like, we're 2 for 2 right now, Ipsy. You're doing great. You're doing good. The bag total a month is like $16, $17. But like I said, if you want to sign up, make your choice and everything for March, I'll have a link down below. And thank you once again if you do decide to use my link. I definitely appreciate it. I am going to hop off for now, but thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. I will have everything listed below. Oh, I do want to talk about YSL. I know YSL sent over their mascara. Now this one is their Viral Lash Clash mascara, and this is now in waterproof. And I have it on today, and you guys, it's not like hard and crunchy at all. Like, I was a little like, because I'll be honest, I get a little nervous with waterproof mascaras because they normally make my lashes feel super, super dry. This did not at all, and I only did 2 coats of it. 2 coats. This says it is a volume waterproof mascara. It has 48-hour wear time, and it has an astonishing 400 plus volume boost. This mascara is more than waterproof, it's heat proof, smudge proof, and its commitment to bold lashes that stand the test of time, weather, and hold long lasting curl. That was the other thing I did. I curled this side and I did not curl this side, and you guys, this side has not fallen whatsoever. I thought it was really cool. So yeah, I was like, well, I'm kind of curious if I don't, because I know not everybody uses a lash curler on their lashes, so I didn't curl this side. Although I still think I got the good volume, this side definitely has kept the curl. I didn't even know that was a thing that could happen, but it is. So thank you, YSL, for sending this over. I felt rather bougie, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, oh, and let me show you guys the wand. I really like the wand because it's like a grippy kind of wand too. I know someone's gonna ask, Rhonda, did you smell it when you first opened it? You bet your sweet baby I did. Yes, I did. If you're curious, it is in shade 1 Black. So I will link that down below. Thank you again to YSL for that. And thank you to me. I want to thank me for getting a really good glam bag from Ipsy. I mean, I bought it. But anyways, that is all for today's video. Your girl's rambling. I'm going to hop off. I'm feeling a little awkward. Don't know why. Anxiety life. Love that for me. Until next time, friends, check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the House, and of course Spotify. Unconditional Hot Mess is our podcast, which we're kind of like having technical difficulties, but we'll be back. Don't worry, we're still filming. So anyways, friends, I'm on TikTok and Instagram. Please give your girl a follow over there. I would greatly appreciate it. Feel free to share this video on Facebook if you choose. Thank you so much. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I'll take it to Mars. I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.